And that's what we've had this weekend, and that's what we're gearing up for most of the week ahead. So pretty standard mid-July weather. A lot of us will take it if it means no hurricane and we don't have anything active in the tropics right now. We are expecting pretty much every day intense heat, plus a few of those downpours, and then more rain next weekend, and also a little less heat, I think, next weekend as well. But in the meantime, we're looking for heat plus the storms, and that's what we have out there right now. However, there aren't that many thunderstorms over land areas. Certainly a storm here around our Biloxi Marsh areas out on the outskirts of St. Bernard. And then also we have a few small showers that have been showing up, kind of flaring up here around Ashland and Chauvin. A little bit also north of Lake Pontchartrain over really just the past hour or so, especially around Covington, Madisonville, and very close to the border there between Tangipahoa and St. Tammany parishes, and then a little bit of rain over near Bogalusa as well. Moving through this evening, we may keep a couple of these downpours here and there for the next maybe hour or so, but in general, of course, as we lose daytime heating towards sunset around 8 p.m., we will lose most of our rain as well. This is tomorrow morning, starting your Monday morning, looking fine, not expecting rain just yet, but tomorrow noon, we're expecting a few showers to pop up. This takes us to 3 and 4 p.m. I have about a 30–40% rain chance for tomorrow. And then tomorrow evening, as usual, things start to calm down. We did hit 95 at the airport today. We hit 96 there yesterday, so it definitely has been a hot, steamy weekend. 94 still with that pretty kind of interesting look to the sky. You might wish you had a few more clouds to help you out, but we do have some of those here and there. Homa at 79 with a little bit of rain that's happened in that area, but most other spots still feeling like triple digits. And that'll be the case, I think, through this week. We have a heat advisory still officially in effect until 7, and then we will resume it tomorrow and probably the next day and probably the next day. But tonight we will see our temperatures dip into the 70s. And tomorrow we're expecting highs once again in that mid-90s range. Decent chance for a few of those scattered downpours. Tomorrow, by the way, we are under the heat advisory for up to 112 heat indices, 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. And the hot pink that you see, that is still ongoing from today. We'll see if we have that issued again tomorrow, but that's the excessive heat warning. We're again feeling like up to 1, maybe 15 in this particular spot, the National Weather Service highlighted. In the upper atmosphere this week, this is our setup, 2 big highs, and then notice toward the weekend, we see this trough dipping toward us and getting really close to us by Friday and Saturday. So daily scattered rain as we will be between the 2 highs, and then maybe more rain around next weekend. That's why I brought the rain chance up a little bit. Pretty much, though, if you're just going about your day, every day will bring that chance for rain. It just goes up a little bit toward next weekend. And with a few more clouds, our temperatures may get cut back as well. A lot of you have been saying, hey, the rain helping with the heat at least a little bit. We'll take the rain, I guess, if it can bring our temperatures down here and there. Now, we're still hitting highs very high, but if you do get a downpour or storm, that brings your rain or temperatures down. So far, we've had about 3 inches of rain in July. This is at the airport at Kenner. Average is about 3, so pretty close to average. These are the days, interestingly, all the weekdays that we had rain and not so much recorded at the airport over the weekends, but that might change next weekend. Our rain outlook, this is from the Climate Prediction Center through July, a little above normal. We're at or maybe just kind of close to normal right now in many spots. And the rain forecast over the next 7 days, blues and purples 1 to 2 inches. But as you know, this time of year, the atmosphere is just so laden with moisture. Even one storm could bring a quick couple of inches of rain or maybe even a bit more than that. So just a heads up, we will have that potential for a few scattered downpours every day, and a heavy downpour not out of the question. Tropics, quiet. No development expected for the next 7 days. We've got some Saharan dust. Overall, just kind of hostile conditions in the Atlantic Basin. Not expecting any sort of hurricane formation this week. So there's your 7-day forecast. Again, very mid-July, very familiar summer setup all the way through the end of the week. But that cutback in temperatures may be kind of nice next weekend. And again, we'll have those scattered downpours. So keep that in mind for your next weekend plans.